Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my Hobonichi cousin for January, no that's not right, June 20th through to June 26th. And this is going to be my last weekly spread in this planner. Yes, I know, kind of sad, but also very exciting that I get to move into my Hobonichi cousin Avec for July through to December. So watch my channel here in a couple of days. I will have a video of that setup. So for this week, I will be using these supplemental deco stickers from the Brie kit from Let's Plan It. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is actually put some washi across the top. Yeah. And these specific washi are from the Daily kit for this collection. I don't anymore. I don't buy the Hobonichi cousin kit. I actually just purchased the supplemental or the deco sheets and then the daily spreads because of the way I decorate. I don't use the kits to their fullest potential. Like, I don't need to use all of the boxes or anything like that. I really just like using the deco. So that is why I buy like I do. So put this down here. Just a mix of the washi all together up at the top. I like that, and I know I already have a weekend sticker that I had Brittany do as well. Especially since I don't buy the kits, I don't normally have the weekend sticker, so I had them custom made. Really like that so far. So then what I think I'm going to do is in this bottom corner here, I'm definitely going to do the It's Your Story, Honey. Feel free to hit them with whatever plot twist you want. Start that down here. And then I'm going to add this with a little bit of the floral. That's not floral, those are called leaves, Karina. And then I'm going to work on the sidebar. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in. And as you can see, I totally screwed up where I wrote the word sleep. So I'm going to find some way to fix that using a label. So I'm using this label sticker from the kit and then writing the word sleep and then placing the Coffee Monsters Co. emoji and then drawing out my graph. And this graph helps me to keep track of my sleep during the week as well as how I'm feeling. The next thing that I do underneath that with the gold mild liner is my workout. So I do a header with the gold mild liner, brush letter in the word workout along with a cute Coffee Monsters Co. emoji, and then write out my schedule for the week. So down at the bottom, I will use the same Tombow dual brush pen and mile liner to write out headers, and then use the Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen to write in the word meals, as well as the letters BLD. This is where I will keep track of my meals for the week. The next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is write in my work shifts. This part of the plan with me is really easy because I'm basically doing headers, brush lettering in the words that I need, and then drawing out what I need as well. So writing in my shifts for Monday through Friday and using the Tombow Fudenosuke pen to brush letter in the word work, and then using my fountain pen actually draw in the arrows for my work shifts. I really like the look of this spread so far. It's just, there's so much color, and it took a while to find the Tombow and the mild liner to match, but I'm really liking the look so far. So now I'm going to go into each day and fill out the things that I need to do on a day-to-day basis. Okay, so Monday, where is my pen? Oh, boy, Monday I normally, I'm going to write it here. write my to-do list where I order groceries and meal plan. I feel like now when it comes to planning and writing out where everything goes, it's a lot easier because really the main things that are changing are the stickers. The placement isn't really changing, but where the sticker, basically the decoration changes, the types of stickers are changing. And on a day-to-day basis, there might be little things that change, but the basic outline of my spread is pretty much the same every week, which makes this really fun for me because there's no, I guess, confusion about, oh, do I need to put this down this day? I've gotten into a routine with my planner that now it's just so fun for me. And I know what I need, I know what I like. I'm in this place where I am really happy with my setup. So then taking this garbage sticker from Let's Plan It, and I don't know if I mentioned it, but the pens I'm using are my two Pelicans. The 140, which is the green one, and this one is the M400 in the white tortoise. And it currently has Robert Oster Gold Antica. Oh! I have an appointment that day with Henry. Henry has a dentist appointment right at 9 o'clock. So I won't be able to start work right at 10, which means I need to grab this. This is the Tombow Mono CC, and it's not an exact match for the Hobonichi paper. The Hobonichi paper is a bit more off-white, but I think it will do. So I have to redo that header because I'll probably start work closer to 11. Oh, don't we all love a good whiteout as well for all those mistakes? And I mean, that one's gonna stick out just a little bit, but I don't mind too much. Then I'm gonna take one of these dots for Henry's dentist appointment. Oh, what is that on my finger that's sticky? 9 o'clock. Henry. What? Dentist. Okay. Is there anything else? Oh, I can't believe I almost forgot that. And then my husband's going away camping for the weekend, so it's just going to be me and the kids. So I'm going to grab another dot for Saturday. It's Henry's last wall climbing class. And I just remembered Lucy also has a vet appointment. So 2 things. Yeah, so Lucy has a vet appointment. Lucy at vet. And then Henry from 10 to 11:30, he is out climbing. And then that evening, I know that I also have a team happy hour. I try to do this once a month with my team just as a way to get together every month, really. And what are the stickers that I'm looking for? I'm looking for my relaxing ones. Oh, as a way to just get together, because I mean, that's like the thing with remote working is that, you know, how often are you really going to get to see your colleagues? So the wine time is between 7 and 8, or team happy hour. And my team know me pretty well by now that during this time I'm normally folding laundry. Because I'm wild like that. Folding laundry while also having drinks. That just seems perfect. That just seems like major mom multitasking. Ooh, I don't want the thick ones. Where are... I know I have tons of laundry stickers. So let's find those. I think... I keep saying that maybe I should reorganize my sticker organization. But you know what? It works. It's a bit what do I say? It is a bit kind of like, I still search for stickers, but they're organized as organized as can be. Oh, I like that. That one's cute. So Paper Bits Co. and Fold Laundry. So yeah, it'll just be me and the kids over the weekend, which actually will be nice. I'm still trying to think of what to do after Henry's wall climbing. I might take the kids to the market or something like that. And then Sunday is cleaning day. So where are my cute cleaning stickers? Oh, I realized I'm almost out. Oh, I've got a few weeks left of these cute ones from Paper Bits Co. And placing the little girl. I like to put it on this side. Yeah. So the usual cleaning. My husband does the vacuuming, so we'll see how that goes. And then he normally does the windows, so he may do them when he gets home after his camping trip. I do the bathrooms and the kitchen cabinets and appliances. And then dust and garbage. And the door handles and the switches, like high traffic areas. Okay, so those are the things that I know are happening through the week. Let me just clean up here. So now that I have the basics down, and I say basics, I can go in and then start adding more decoration, because I know that I still have basically these stickers, and these are what will go in the daily spread, but I also wanted a whole bunch of deco stickers to decorate this area. So I like this. I think I'll place that like so, and just like that, with a bee. Yeah, a bee. Or maybe I'll just leave that as is. I think then I'm gonna add this. Oh no. Oh, I can hear Lucy upstairs. She's having a conniption. Then oh, she's totally whining upstairs. See, even with like all of this, there's so much deco in this spread that I almost feel like it's too much for me. I probably should have just gotten one or the other. I shouldn't have gotten both, because I feel like I'm going to end up having tons left over by the end of the week. But you know what? I'm going to leave that as is for now. Keep it very simple. And then I'll use the rest of the stickers for the rest of the week. But yeah, that is it for me. It looks very simple, but I like it that way, because then once I've actually filled in the week, I'll show you a week that's like filled in. I love that life has been added to the pages, you know, like a sick day. I just love the way that it looks once it's all written in. So it has to start off basic, because life hasn't happened yet. And once life happens, then it gets all colorful and fun. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.